Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa. Today's a little bit of a different video because we're putting together a little tutorial for moms and dads out there so you can make awesome pancakes at home just like we do here at the show. Because that's what we're all about. We're all about families having fun together. And so before we really get rolling, a few things that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need some kind of pan. It could be over there on a stove, something like this. You need a flipper. The bigger the better. Some kind of condiment bottle. And then I always have a couple of lids. The first lid has just the standard narrow tip. And then I take the same exact kind of lid, cut the tip off of it a little bit, make it a little bit wider so it flows better when you're filling them in. All right? So these are the basics. Now, when I've talked to my friends about this, they look at the videos and they say, how do you do that? You must be some kind of artist. There's no way I can make a design like that as a pancake. And I say to them, listen, I have never had an artistic bone in my body my whole life. You can ask my parents, they will attest to this, right? No one in my family would ever say they would expect me making art here as pancakes. But again, I'll tell you, I've said it before, pancake mix, crazy forgiving and super fun to work with. And what we've done to make it even more evident that you could do this at home is if I were to do this tutorial and say, okay, yeah, but you make all of them. We expect you to be able to do it. So what I've done is I've invited a little guest to join us. And here she comes. Oh my goodness. It's my incredible wife, also known as the Pancake Mama for today. That's what we're gonna roll with. So what we're gonna do is we've pulled up a little picture over here. I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you can take a look at it and follow along. And I'm going to try to tell Justin, teach Justin how to go ahead and make this little kitty cat that we're going to do today and show you guys that you can do it too. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you take it?
Okay. It's time for pancake. Let's do this.
And here we go. Okay, the pan's already hot. We got the bottle. Justin's ready to get this little kitty cat going. Okay, so go ahead, pick up the bottle. And then we'll start with ear number 1 on the left side. It's already perfect. Look at that kitty. It's great.
Body?
Okay, we got the body. Yeah, you got the face done. The head. There you go. Paw number 1.
Oh, sorry, there's paw.
It's a great paw. It's a great paw. I love that paw.
It's a little.
Yeah. There you go. Round. Nice. What next? Got the tail.
Tail. Loopy.
A little loop. There we go. What do you want to do next?
Eyes.
Okay, go for it. Some big old eyes. Perfect.
Nose.
Little nose. Yep.
Fill it in.
Go for it. The nose is the darkest part, so you can fill it in now. Nice. What do we got?
Smile.
Got the smile, the whiskers, and the little inner part of the ear.
Really happy.
That's a happy cat. I like happy cats. That's good.
Whiskers.
Yep. Nice. And let's do that ear up there. Perfect.
And little feetsies.
The little lines on the feet, yep. We just do a couple of them. Nice. This paw is my favorite. I love it. Okay, and now just a little part on the bottom part of the eye. We'll just change those up a little bit. Just like that. There you go, and fill it in. Let's go ahead and fill in the little parts in the ears too. Just a little drop. A little drop. Oh my goodness! The kitty cat's looking awesome! You're done. Okay, you got your outline down. We're letting them cook a little bit. We start to see the bubbles come up. And then we'll know that it's time to start filling in the rest. But you're doing great. How do you feel?
Good.
How many of these have you done? Ever? 5 or so.
Maybe?
Yes. She leaves most of them to the big kid in the house. But you're doing great. I love it. So let's go ahead and switch the lids. So you have the bigger lid. Kitty cat's cooking. We'll let it cook for just another second. And then she'll fill them in. All right. We're ready for the next steps. The outline's cooking well. She has the big lid on. And what we're going to do now is she's just going to go around filling it in as fast as you can to try to make the cook as even as you possibly can have it, right? So how about you start with the face, and then we'll go from there. Nice. There you go. Fill it all in. You always try to be a little more careful around the eyes. So try not to have tons of mix fill in, but if it does, there's always a little fix you can do. Awesome. There you go. Okay, tail or body. It's great. There you go. Yep. So yeah, good job. And then you can go a little faster on the inside. Perfect. And little feetsies. All right. Okay, here we go. So we have a little bit of mix leaking into one of its eyes. So you just pick up the little flipper and you use the corner of it and try and just push it out of there a little bit. And you don't have to be crazy gentle, it'll be fine. Yep, and lift it up out. Perfect. And the other eye, nice. Get out of there. Cooking. What do you think?
Yeah. We're getting there.
It's great. It's great. All right, team. We've made it to that time. You just have one more thing to fill in. You know how we do it?
Let it drop from the top.
From the top. Go for it. You gotta go high. High. Are you gonna make it? Oh!
Other eye.
Other eye.
Don't miss.
There we go. The kitty's all filled in. What you gotta do is take your little flipper, start going around the sides, try and loosen them up a little bit, but don't go under the eyes just yet since they're just starting to cook. Okay, go ahead. Try and gently get under the eyes. Nice. Nice. All right. Now you gotta get it up under there. Give it a go. Oh! Ready for the countdown. You lead us.
3, 2, 1.
Boom! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at the kitty cat. It's awesome. Oh, you're just fixing up that little part right there? You can scratch that. Look at that.
Couple holes.
Couple little holes? That's okay. It looks awesome, right? Got cute little whiskers. He's got some fun big old eyes.
Kind of a tiny paw.
He has a tiny paw. But he looks great. And I think that Micah's absolutely gonna love it. Right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let the bottom cook just another few seconds, put it on a plate, and then wrap it up like we always do.
Woo!
Good job, man. Hey everybody, for the outro today, the little guys woke up, so we have Isaiah with us. There he is, the littlest buddy. Your first time seeing him, and here comes Micah. Micah, mommy made you a pancake.
What'd I make, baby? Kitty cat.
Kitty cat, do you like it? Yes.
Yeah. How'd I do? I did okay? Yeah.
What does the kitty cat say?
Meow.
Wow, just like that. So everybody, just like we do here at home, whether I'm making pancakes or the pancake mama makes the pancake for the day, kids absolutely love it. So our hope is that you'll follow what we've talked about here in the little tutorial and that your family will join in on the fun. And the only other thing to say is subscribe down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!